Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry. As we get into tonight's video review, I wanted to show you one of the most helpful signals that I use and how it has been helping us to find the reversal in Tesla. So the signal that we are looking at is just this blue arrow. And of course, arrows can be populated off of a whole wealth of things in any platform. So knowing what they are is the important piece. This is just the 21-day high of the low bar reversal. It's one of the first things that was written about in Mastering the Trade, if you're familiar with John's book. But I want you to look at how that signal started to form with Monday's move, and every other time you've seen it, shows up here, you've got a couple back here, but every time it shows up, the next move is into the 21 EMA. Now, the amount of time that it takes can vary, but that's just one way of trying to catch the falling knife, because you don't want to buy it through all of this. Notice that there are no blue arrows that show up where it just keeps getting hammered. When it keeps getting hammered, those signals are nowhere in sight, and you can just see where that did show up earlier in the week. So that's piece one, and it is just a piece. But if that works as the way I just described it to you, it's a move back into the 21 EMA around 180. Then the other piece we were working with on Tuesday, because we get the reversal on Monday, and then on Tuesday, look at how the low of the session is 167.42. The tree line, a critical piece of the voodoo line study set, is 167.50. So you're talking about pennies of precision. So, that's the spot where we sold a put credit spread, and then coming into today or this afternoon, we find it with a 15-minute and a 39 squeeze. So these are some of my favorite ways of looking at charting these patterns. I am targeting 180, ideally tomorrow, but I'm going to be willing to give it into Friday if needed. And that's just, I think, a very helpful way of charting out some of those reversals. So I hope you find that helpful. Have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.